Welcome back, everybody. It's Norwegian Lockpicker. I just got done doing a picking video on the 40mm Ace laminated lock. Now I'm going to try doing I think this one's a 50mm. Oh, 44mm. Okay. This one's a 5-pinner. So we're going to pick this baby open. I should say, welcome back, guys and gals. We got some gals watching too. Thank you. I appreciate it. I don't mean to leave you out. When I say guys, I guess I mean it more as just everybody. Hello, everybody. So please don't take any thought to that I'm leaving you out. It's not my intent. And I'm gonna jam the 50mm Sparrow's heavy bar back in there. Okay, this is kind of the same kind of bind up core that sorry, not 50mm, 44mm core binds up the same way as it does with the 40mm, the 4-pin. But for some reason this one's a little easier to pick. Okay, I'm gonna start out again using my Tron. If you watched my last video, you saw that I went through a whole assortment of different picks trying to get it to go, but like I keep saying, this is my go-to starting pick, the Sparrow's Tron. Alright, so all the way to the back, 5, 4, a little bit of movement. I got 3, I think it is, bound up, big click. 2, click. Okay, all the way to the back again. It feels like 5's bound up. Didn't feel any movement on the pin, but the core gave a little twitch on me. I think I'm on 4 now. Click there. See if 5 does anything now. Nothing. 4. 3, touched it. I got a little movement there. I'm not sure if that was a serrated pin that jumped past a notch or what, but 2, let's see here. I think I'm on 1. There, we got a big jump when I touched 1. Just barely touched it. Okay, now 2's bound up. Little click there. That felt like a serration, not a sear line. I'm going to give it another click. See if I get another click out of it. Nope. Locked up tight. Okay. 3. Little click out of 4. And nothing out of 5. Let's see. I'm sitting on. There's a click out of 3. Let's see, where are we at here? 2, nothing. I'll try for 1 here. Close. Yeah, I think I got a spool here on 1, so let that come back a little bit and hopefully set it. There we go. Didn't hear anything else drop. Just 2 or 3 there just gave me another click. 4, now it feels like 5's bound up. Must be pushing another spool here. There we got it. 4 feels like it dropped back down. Click. 3, big click out of 3. Let's see here, where are we at now? Oh, there's a click on 1 drop back down just a little bit. There's 2 or 3 that just clicked and gave me back into a deep fall set. Let's see. Just a little bit of feedback coming off of 4. I'm going to go for a little bit of a steeper pick. Let's see, I'm gonna try this. I think this is probably what they call their medium hook. That should give me a little deeper in there so I can just make sure that I get on the 4 without pushing on 5 or any others. So I'm just isolating the one pin that I want to push on. Let's see here, where am I at? There's 5, got nothing, feels solid. 4 feels solid. I think I gotta get to 3 here, but nothing on 3. Oh, there's some feedback on 2. Come back, we got a spool. There's a big click. Either spools or really deep serrated pins that hook up on something. Never had one of these apart. Lost my false set when I pushed 2 up again. Tell what I'm on here. Five, 4, 3, 2, nothing. 1, got a click out of it. I don't know what that is doing. I think this is my pin that's holding up. Let's try a medium hook or a short hook. See if I've got enough room to get between this warding and the pin without pushing on everything. I'm not getting any feedback on anything right now. If I didn't overset something. Oh, there's some feedback on 1. I'm gonna click on 1. Click at a 3. 4's got nothing. Go back to my Tron. Must have overset something. I am getting nothing. I said that this one was easier to pick, but I might have been might not be the case today. I got some feedback on 1 again. Here's a click out of 1. Keep going before I drop everything and see where I'm getting here. Click out of 4. Oh, all right. Now that one felt like I just overset a pin. Felt the core push back and stay there. And drop something back down. There we go. I got my false set back. 1 big feedback on 1. There's deeper. We're going in the right direction. I think this is 5. There we go. We got it. Nice. Okay, just took me 9 minutes and 35 seconds. Well, I had some yakking in there in the beginning too, but yeah, those are definitely a challenging, fun pick. Yeah, do a good job at pinning those up. I don't think they're shimmable. There's looks like it's not a ball bearing, but it's a roller bearing type of a shackle in there. So don't think you could shim them. I don't know if I've ever tried it, but I prefer to pick them myself. Keys work beautifully. There's a spring back function, so they're not key retaining. They're really nice, fun little padlocks. If you get a chance, walk through the hardware store, skip Menards, go over to Ace and buy yourself some Ace locks. They're a ton of fun to pick. Thanks everybody for watching. For those of you that are new, welcome, and for those of you that have been around for a while, thanks again for watching. Stay legal, everybody, and don't forget, if you don't respect the keyhole, don't put your pick in it. Thanks, guys and gals.